What's going on, Prime Daily? It is the big day. I am so excited. I'm like a little baby right now. Today is the big day. I am lowering the WRX. I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and it's finally here. It's finally here. We have the jack, the coil. I'm sorry about the mess, but we have the jack, the jack right here, the coilovers, the impact gun, this guy. We have the jack stands. We have the jack stands right here, and then all the other tools we're gonna need. We're starting off really late. We were supposed to start off like 2 hours ago,
but we were too busy doing that over there.
Yes. Last as you guys saw last video, I hope you guys liked it. This happened. I know you guys saw this last video, but you can get a good vision of it again. We cannot get over it. Fitment came out really good. The rims look really nice. You cannot like literally like fit your fingers in there. So let's get this stuff started. Let's unload all this out the car. So this is a 10mm right here. You're gonna grab all 3 of those, take them out.
So this clip right here, you wanna make sure you take it off first. Right there. And you can use some pliers for that. Careful not to break them.
Alright, so we're gonna take this bolt right here. It's a 12mm. I already unclipped this. So after you got that one done, we already did this one. Then you have to do this one and that one. This is a 19 and then the 19. And once we take this off, then we go up here. We take these 3 off, which they're a 10. And that's pretty much it for the front.
Why is that so big?
First one out.
I literally can't see.
Alright, so once you put it in, same thing. Put the clips back up. Align this with this, and then put those bolts in, and then put this brake line right here, and then he's tightening the top. It's simple. Same thing we did to take it out, just do it to put it back in. So now this is probably going to be a little bit more difficult, I think. We're just taking this one off, and then this one you can kind of play with this, and you can lift it up a little bit, and then you got to take this bolts off, which I believe they're probably 10 or 12mm, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so here you're gonna take this one out first. This one was a 17mm, and then you're gonna do this one too. That one was a 15mm. And then that should be all. I don't think we have to take this one off, but if we do, we'll let you know. And then we'll take the top off, and that should come off.
Gotta do it hard.
Alright, so you do have to take this one out. So 17, 17, and then 15. So we already got the new coilover in there. And something really cool that I didn't show you guys earlier. So this came in the box with the coilovers. It's a keychain. I think this is the coolest thing in the world. It's a Raceland coilover. It matches exactly how the coilovers on my car look. But for this price, everything has been great so far. The shipping was fast, and the little details that matter.
All right, guys, we just finished one side. Let's see. Moment of truth.
I'm probably gonna have to adjust it, but it's gone.
We need to drop it some more. Let's lift her up. Alright, so we ran into some hiccups here. Not really a hiccup, we lowered it and we didn't adjust the height. And as you just saw, way too high. Way too high. So we finished adjusting these right here, the front. The gap in the air is a lot less than what it was, so when we drop it, it should be a lot lower. And then right here, we're working on that. We're looking to have them looking like this gap, and that is, where's the measuring tape? See that? It's about 1/2 inch.
All right, guys, so this is how it ended. I like how the front came out. I don't like that you can't really lower the back anymore. Overall, like I said, I'm happy with the way they came out. They're they're real inexpensive coilovers, so I can't expect more. All right, Prime Daily, so thank you so much for watching. We appreciate, again, your feedback. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If there's anything else we can improve on, let us know. We're more than happy to get any type of feedback. We appreciate you guys following the build. If you haven't yet, subscribe, share, like, and we'll see you guys on the next video.